Hey guys, it's Jem from Jetset Plumbing. Today we're going to give you 3 reasons why your kitchen drain is blocked. Whether your sink is not draining or it's even overflowing outside, here is 3 reasons why your kitchen drain is blocked. Number 1, grease and fat. Over time, your kitchen drainage pipes will build up with grease and fat, solidifying in the drain. This is extremely common. However, this can be easily reduced by the amount of oil and fats that are washed down the drain. If your kitchen sink is slowly draining away, firstly, a couple of tips would be using a plunger or boiling hot water to help dislodge and break up some of the stuff. If this doesn't work, get a professional in. We'll have the high pressure jetting machine or equipment to sort the block drain out. Number 2, tree roots. Tree roots will grow into your pipe and cause a blockage. They're obstructing the line, especially if you have older pipes or there's tree roots in close proximity to your home. To prevent tree roots from causing a blockage, make sure to have your pipes inspected regularly and consider removing any trees that are too close to your pipes. In severe cases, you may need to have your pipes removed and replaced to prevent further damage occurring. Number 3, broken pipework. Broken drainage pipes are one of the more severe causes of kitchen blockages, as the pipes have shifted, causing a break within your drainage line. Depending on how your drainage line has been laid out, your kitchen could be the first fixture to start experiencing these issues. When you experience a blocked kitchen drain, be sure to take a look outside to ensure there is nothing overflowing, i.e. from an overflow point or an ORG grate. If you have noticed your kitchen starting to block up, it is important to call a plumber to inspect what's going on inside your drains.